up, guys? So today we have a challenge here. Say what's up?
Say go.
Okay. Yeah, she said okay. Now, Mugman, get your butt over here.
No.
You big fat bum. Okay, Miss Challenge, say what's up. Miss Challenge, say hi. Say hi. Oh, okay. Say my name Chicken. Say my name Donkey. Say my name Donkey. Say my name Baby Boo.
It's a short vlog, guys. This is a vlog.
I have corona.
Just gonna eat a popsicle.
Look at Cuphead. He's so clean and so like light. Okay, I'm gonna get a new Cuphead. So BRB. I said BRB. Now move the camera.
You're weird. Ew. That's even a thumbnail.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm doing you ready that dollar. I'm black. Huh? What? What about what? Look at her feet. Okay.
What's up, dog? What's up, dog?
She said, "What's up, God?"
What's up, gob?
She said, "Gob." She said, "Gob."
Goblin. Let's say I eat dogs. Ow, baby!
Kevin, look at me, got a baby.
Hey,
Zoom in on
my
that.
baby!
Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that.
Hey, my baby!
No, it's mine.
Hey!
Here you go.
She knows how to talk now.
Then why'd you throw your baby? Yes,
Baby what?
baby boo. Baby boo. Give me the camera.
Ow. I'm gonna trim that out.
Look, man, we should have to get like more contracts, right?
Yeah.
We have to go get them. So let's go this way.
Okay.
We'll get contracts now.
Okay.
What's that? Who's that? Let's
I
go.
don't know.
Who are you?
Chicken.
What do you want from me? What'd you do to my girlfriend, bum? I need to jack poo. I don't even know who she is. She's that bee! You knocked her out of the bush! Oh crap. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? What did I do? What'd you do to my girlfriend? Your girlfriend? You have a girlfriend? You're a turtle. So, are you racist? You saying I can't have a girlfriend because I'm a turtle? No. Well, who even is she? She's the bee! She's my honey! You got it? No.
See the potato college ones, guys.
So, now you hurt my girlfriend and I'm gonna hurt you. Ah!
Where did Cuphead go?
We'll keep it out of
Let go. He's been gone for like a long time. I'm gonna see. Die! Ow! Ow! Die! Ow! Ow! Die! Ow! Mugman, help!
swiping, no swiping. Swiping, no swiping. Swiping, no swiping. Swiping, no swiping.
We did it! We actually did it.
Yep. So now we have to go and fight that bee. Bee's nuts.
Ha! Got him! Okay, but we actually have to get the contract. Ah! Die!
Cuphead.
You ready to fly to China? You ready to fly to Neptune? You ready to fly to die? 3, 2, 1. Yep, she died.
That wasn't that right, Cuphead.
Fine, then I do it again.
Do it hard this time.
You ready for her to Neptune, die, fly? You have wings, so you're probably gonna live. So, yay! Was that high enough?
No.
Fine. Fine. You ready to die? You ready to go to Neptune?